Thanksgiving is here, so we're making a special $50 Thanksgiving dinner. Not only is this a great price, but we're going to make enough food to feed 6 people. From a 16-hour turkey to a delicious broccoli casserole, we're making it all today. Each dish is a classic and it's all straightforward to make. We'll make garlic mashed potatoes, 16-hour turkey, broccoli casserole, green bean casserole, and bread stuffing. Let's get started with our turkey brine. Measure out a 1/4 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of allspice berries, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 cups of vegetable broth. Bring to a simmer and add to a large bowl. Add 32 ounces of additional vegetable broth, or enough broth to fully submerge your turkey breast. I'm using just the breast today, but this recipe also works for whole turkeys. We'll add 6 pounds of turkey breast and allow it to rest in the refrigerator for 16 hours. Let's start our bread stuffing. Take 2 loaves of bread and cut into about 1-inch size pieces. We'll dry this out in the oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. We'll cut 5 celery sticks in half, lengthwise, and then dice. We'll similarly dice 2 yellow onions. Melt 1 stick of butter, and finally cut up 1 stick of fresh rosemary, and 2 sticks of thyme. 1 tablespoon of parsley, a half tablespoon of poultry seasoning, add about half of our bread to half of our veggies, and add about half of the butter seasoning. Toss it all together. Also add about 1 cup of chicken broth. We'll then transfer it to an aluminum casserole dish. Repeat this for the other half. Cover and cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit in the oven for 35 minutes. Then remove the aluminum foil and cook for a final 15 minutes. This bread stuffing is delicious and it really soaks up all that flavor. But now it's time to make some broccoli casserole. In an aluminum casserole dish, pour out 10.5 ounces of cream of mushroom soup, then dice 1 yellow onion, and add to 32 ounces of broccoli. Add about half a cup of mayo to the cream of mushroom, and freshly grate 3/4 cup of sharp cheddar. Add the sauce mixture to the broccoli, and toss it all together. Add it all back to the casserole dish, and top it off with some crispy onions. This will cook without a cover in the 350 degrees Fahrenheit oven for about 45 minutes. The broccoli and cheddar are just so good together, and the crispy onions make this a Thanksgiving favorite. Next, let's make some green bean casserole. In a casserole dish, add 10.5 ounces of cream of mushroom soup, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, half a cup of milk. Mix. Add 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, and add about 2.5 pounds of green beans. We'll mix everything together, top it off with some crispy onions, and then cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Be sure to add some more cream and mushroom if you like a more saucy casserole. This comes out really good. Next up, garlic mashed potatoes. Clean and peel 5 pounds of russet potatoes and 4 cloves of garlic. Cut into quarters, boil until softened about 15 minutes, and then drain and add 1 stick of butter. Mash with a hard object. Add about 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Mash and mix. That was easy. It's turkey time. Drain all the brine and get our turkey on a foil cover pan. Add some rosemary between the turkey. Spray with some oil to encourage some browning. And cook at 480 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Then cover the breast with aluminum foil and allow to cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2.5 hours, or until the turkey reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove and keep the drippings. We'll cut up our turkey, and oh my god, look how juicy that breast meat is. This smells amazing and tastes even better. It is absolutely worth the 16 hours. Each slice is so juicy. We'll take our turkey drippings and just add about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1.5 cups of vegetable broth to thicken it up. We can now plate up. There's a little bit of everything for everyone. And boom, we have a juicy and hearty Thanksgiving dinner. From our 16-hour turkey to our numerous casseroles, this Thanksgiving meal hits the spot. Whether you eat this on Thanksgiving Day or enjoy the leftovers for the rest of the week, each of these dishes are so good. Of course, everyone likes their Thanksgiving a little different, so let me know down in the comments below what your favorite Thanksgiving dinner looks like and what foods you want to see next.